It's a gorgeous day here in Florida and we're making some Mahi-Mahi Tostadas. So this is a really easy recipe. You can use any kind of fish you like. We're using Mahi-Mahi. It's quick, it's easy, it's delicious. So stay with us, you're gonna love it. So we're going to get these tostadas going. I've got a half a cup of oil in the skillet right now, and it's ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and get these guys going. We're gonna get them in there. Gotta be kind of careful so I don't get burned. We're gonna get them in there, all the way submerged. You want to make sure that they bubble up. Once they start bubbling up, you want to turn them over. Get the other side. And once they get nice and brown, then you're going to go ahead and put them onto your paper towel and plate so you don't get them overdone, right? Move on to the next one. Go ahead and put your tortilla in. Submerge it. They bubble up pretty fast, so you got to make sure that you're watching them. Turn it over. And move it. You can see it goes pretty quick. And you go to the next one. To make this marinade, we've got a teaspoon of this Amazin Cajun. And we're going to have a link to this so you can find out more about this. It's delicious. We've got half a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix this together in this little bowl right here. We have got 2 tablespoons of this Cat Purry-Purry sauce. And it's really delicious too. And there's going to be a link to this as well. And I can't remember the pepper. So,
Piquin.
Piquin. Thank you, Mr. Bystander on the side. Piquin peppers. It's delicious. There's a link to this as well. We have got a half a bunch of cilantro. And we have got a tablespoon of lime juice that I fresh squeezed. So I'm going to mix these 2 things together. Now the reason why I'm mixing these up is the Amazin Cajun does not have salt. So it doesn't have a lot of salt. So we're going to mix these together and get this going first. All right. And now we're going to make 2 separate marinades. And the reason why we're doing this is because Jeff's daughter does not like hot sauce. So we're going to make 2 separate marinades so she can enjoy the fish as well. And we can have spicy and she can have not spicy. All right, so we're going to put a piece of the Mahi-Mahi in here. And we're going to let's see if I can do this without being like too messy because I'm kind of klutzy and messy, so bear with me, okay? We're going to do like half of this in here. All right. We're going to do half of this cilantro. This was a half a bunch total, so this will be a half of a bunch going in hers, okay? And then we're going to use the lime juice. Like I said, it was a tablespoon, so it will be a half of a tablespoon going in here. And we're going to get that in there. And we're going to seal that up. Then we're going to do the other piece of Mahi-Mahi. Again, the Amazin Cajun and the salt. Lime juice that I squeezed. The half of the bunch of fresh cilantro. Now this time we're going to use the hot sauce. And this hot sauce is called, again, I know I said it earlier, but I'm just reiterating, that it is called Cat Purry-Purry sauce, okay? So once you get everything in here, you want to make sure that you get it all nice and mixed up together so the marinade gets all over the fish. And once you get it all mixed up together, then you're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate, all right? Now, Brienne's fish doesn't have any hot sauce in it. Doesn't have this purry-purry sauce. So what we're going to do, so it has a little bit of liquid into it, is we're going to put a little bit of olive oil in it. Probably like a tablespoon, okay? Just put that on in there. And this is for people that don't like that spice. Go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil. And again, you want to make sure that you get it mixed together. Get it all over the fish. Get it nice and marinated together. And then you're going to put it in the refrigerator. Go ahead and let it marinate, okay? That's it. It's going to marinate now, and then we'll get back to you when it's ready to be cooked. All right? All right, we're going to get this fish going on this Pit Boss. It's at 350 degrees. We're going to go ahead and spray it with a little bit of Pam so it doesn't stick. All right, so this mahi-mahi's been marinating for about an hour. And we're going to get it on here. Oh, there you go. All right, so we got these pieces on here. Like I said, the Pit Boss is at 350 degrees, okay? And we're going to go ahead and put these on here for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then we're going to check them and flip them on over, all right? So we'll get back with you. It's been 5 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and flip these guys over. But if y'all have watched any of Jeff's videos, you know that he always gets the fish and they stick, and it's a problem. So we're going to get these guys oiled up with some duck fat so they don't stick, right? So I'm going to go ahead and spray these guys up. Get them nice and good. And then we're going to flip these guys over. Flip this guy over. And we're going to let it go about another 5 minutes. And it should be great. And again, remember this guy is at 350 degrees. Been another 5 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and open this Pit Boss up. We're going to get these guys off the grill. They are good to go. Oh, they look fantastic. Yay. We get this guy. Oh, they look wonderful. We're going to serve these guys up, all right? So we had the tostada that we made. We're going to put a little bit of lettuce on the tostada, right? And then we're going to go ahead and get the piece of mahi-mahi on the tostada. Now we're going to put just a little bit of salsa on top of the piece of mahi-mahi. And because Jeff and I like spice, we're going to go ahead and finish that off with a little bit of jalapeno. Are you going to cut it?
Oh, I have to do the cutting?
Yeah, that's your job.
Okay.
You're a man.
I have a job.
You're a man. You're supposed to cut stuff.
Okay. Okay, it smells good.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is it just for me, or did you want some?
No, I want some too.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll use my fingers, and I'll give you the
I can use my
fork.
fingers too.
No. Here. Oops.
No, I want to use my fingers
There's
because
yours.
that seems really... Okay, that seems hard, but all right.
And then here's mine.
All right, cool.
This
Cheers.
looks really good. You just cheers yours right
Yeah,
into
I'll use
oblivion.
my fingers.
Okay, wait a minute. You knocked my sauce off and everything.
I know.
else.
I'm clumsy. Okay, ready? Mmm. That's delicious. Oh, that's so good. Wow. That's so good. Mmm.
It might be one of the it's easy for me to say. It might be one of the best
That's so good.
fish recipes I've ever had.
Oh my gosh, that's delicious.
Alright. So I hope
Wow.
you guys can see that in the video. Nice white fish.
So delicious. Oh my gosh.
It's got a little bit of spice
Mm-hmm. A little bit.
from the jalapeno.
Mhm.
It's crunchy.
Oh my
the
gosh.
tostado you made is crunchy.
Mm-hmm. It's so good.
And that I can taste that piquant pepper in the back with that.
It's so delicious. I love
Purry-Purry
that.
sauce.
Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. It's delicious.
You really did well.
Well, I like it a lot. This is yum.
Okay. So, can you wrap up the video for folks? They're probably tired of watching us eat.
I would rather eat it than wrap up the video.